In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a Firebase database. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open your Firebase console and you want to click on your project you want to work on. So I'm going to go for this sample app I have over here. And then whenever you do this, you basically have to go to databases and storage here on the left. And you have two options. Of course, you could go and select Firestore or real-time database. Of course, it's up to you whichever one you want. I'm going to click on real-time database. It's going to be a pretty similar process of opening either of these, then click on create database. And then whenever that actually pops up, it's going to start loading for a few seconds. Now you have to select your options, such as the location and then your security roles as well. Click on enable, and whenever that's done, it's going to start loading and opening your database, and there we go. This is now my database over here. I have data, rules, backups, usage, extensions, etc. Okay? If you need any more help, you can go ahead and ask Gemini up top over here, and it's going to help you out with, of course, whatever problems you may encounter. Now over here on the left, of course, whenever you go into your app, you can then access it by going to databases and storage and then clicking on your database over here, and that's how we can open it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.